Right. So today our topic is square root.
Okay.
Okay. Is the square root? The square root symbol. First of all, let's see the symbol. Symbol is this one, or you can take this one also. Both are same. This is the square root symbol. Hear my point?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, this is the first point. And the second point is, what is the meaning of the square root? Okay, suppose 5 times of 5, how much? This is 5 square,
25.
yeah, 20. 10 times into 10 times, how much? 10 square, that equal to 100. Here, you selected 5, yes, and
Yeah.
you squared out, then you are getting 25. Am I right?
Yes.
What is the square root says here? The square root of 25, if you are writing like that, then it gives the which number squared here, so that we are got 25. That is 5. Yeah. So if you write square
Yes.
root, right, then which number you multiply itself, then you got 100. What is that number? 10.
5. I
No,
mean,
no.
10.
Sorry. Root 100 here. Square root 100, not 25.
Wait. But like, I
Uh,
don't understand that part.
I discuss here square root. Suppose, what do you mean by square root here? Suppose 36 is there. My question is, which number multiplied by itself to give 36? Tell me.
4.
Okay, 4 is multiplied by itself. It gave
Wait.
36.
No. So 6?
6. So 6 is multiplied by 6. Then it gives 36. Yes. So the answer is 6. This is the
Oh,
square.
okay. Yes. No, I understand.
You understood? Now tell me square root of 121.
11.
Very good. Square root of 100.
It'd be 10.
Very good. 10. Square root of 625. Do you have any idea?
Hmm.
25.
Okay.
Now you got it. What is the meaning of square root?
Yes.
Yeah. Not right now.
I'm done.
Yeah. So I'm not sure exactly. I think we skipped 3 classes. Am I right?
I don't know.
From my side, not your side. From my side. First day, first time in the first week. Okay. And the second time will be, we have senior and junior both have same class.
Yeah.
That is the second time. But for both you have same class. And the third time means like yesterday. I think
Yeah.
so. Yesterday we have the class. No. Maybe one day, I think not yesterday. I'm not getting exactly day. That day also we have the same class. I mentioned the message in the group. You go through it. For both senior and junior having same class.
Oh yeah,
So,
that was before yesterday.
yeah, I think so. I'm not sure about that. So
That was on the 2nd of
yeah,
July.
yes, maybe correct. So this is the only one class is missed. Okay. In case
Okay.
topics are not covered by the Friday, then I will take 1 or 2 classes more in the next week.
Wait, Krishna's here now.
Christmas here.
Yes.
The July you have Christmas there.
I watched her recording. What is happening?
Yes, Krishna. Just I will take 1 or 2 classes, that much. Only 1 hour. Give me 1 hour. I will conclude that. Okay. I will ask the permission from your parents in the group. Then I will tell you.
Hello. I'm sorry.
Krishna,
Yes.
tell me. You are asking something.
No, I wasn't.
Right. So, clear now? What is the square root? Yeah, see, Krishna. The question is there. You can see the root 36. Which number is multiplied by itself to give 36? Which number?
6.
6. So that is the square root. Simple. Okay. Square root of a number is simple. And let me talk about here. Perfect. Did you? Yeah, please write on this page also. Krishna and Swapnil. Write this page.
I'm done.
You done? Okay.
I'm done too.
Yeah. So next topic is perfect square numbers. What is that called? Perfect square numbers. Or and one more topic is here imperfect square root topic or square numbers. So let me tell you what is a perfect square and imperfect square. Okay. Now let me write some numbers here. 4. Okay. Yeah, 4. Now tell me how you are getting 4. Here 4 is multiplied by, that is 4 we are getting. The 2 is multiplied by 2. Am I right? That is nothing.
Yes.
Yes.
Square of 2. Square of 2. In simple words, we can say that perfect square number is a square of a number. It is a square of a number. Suppose, look at now. Let me take here one example. 81 is there. Is it a perfect square?
Yes.
Why? Because it is a square of 9. Okay. Next question. Suppose 169 is a perfect square number. It's a square of a 30. So perfect square number means it is a square of a number. But
Okay.
imperfect square means the numbers which are the numbers which are not a square of a number. Square of a number. Okay. here numbers are like integers, not the real numbers. What is my point? Suppose the two values there is the square of a which number? Can you tell me? Integer I am talking about here. If you take root 2, I don't know whether you know the root 2 or not. Root is not an integer. It is a real number. Okay. It comes under the real number. So I'm not talking about here any real number. I'm talking about here integer part. Square of a integer. I'm talking about integer. Clear?
Yes.
Here.
Now tell me which integer if you take so that you will get 2. It is possible. Think. I
No.
will write some more
No.
numbers.
I
3,
do.
11, 10. Tell me which number if you square, then you will get 2, 3, 11, 10 like that. Any such a number is there in the integer?
No.
After squaring, you are getting 3, 11, 10. No, it is not possible. Yeah.
Yeah.
So these kind of numbers are called imperfect square numbers. Got it my point?
Yes.
You, Swapna, I mean, what is your name? Krishna?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, yesterday you are absent, am I right? So go through the senior class video. Okay.
I saw the recordings.
Very good. Good boy. Okay, come on, note down this point.
I'm done.
Okay, right. So see, still I not started any square root problems. So I am discussing what is the square root, and in the square root, what are the terminology we are using, that perfect square and imperfect square. So that is also completed. Now here one more important point is square of a 25 we are using. What is the concept? Square of a number. Square of a number ending with or ending with. Okay. Ending with or in 5. This is the topic also we are using in the square root. Okay. Let us see how to find. Okay. How to find in an easy way. How to find. Let us see. First of all, let me write some examples. Square of a number ending with 5 means, see 5 square, 15 square, 25 square, suppose 35 square, 95 square, 105 square, or 205 square, or a 335 square, or getting my point, 1115 square, up to so on. So all these numbers, if you observe very carefully, all the numbers are ending with 5. Yes.
Yes.
Now we have one technique. In that technique, we can find the square of such a numbers in an easy way. Okay. Let me discuss that point. This is also important. Suppose you give me any number that is ending with 5.
695.
That is a very big number, and that much of big numbers we are not using in this case. Because of simple reason. How many
70,
squares you know?
75 squared.
And how many squares you know? Okay, that is the play a very important role in the square root topic. Okay, this is a general method we can use for any number, which like finding the square of a number ending with 5. Okay, so 75 you have to find. Am I right? Yeah, Krishna, give me one number.
25.
Yeah, 25 is given. But here. And one more question. It's 125 also. Okay. The first step. So the colors here. Okay. Colors you have to observe. The red color you see. So in the red color you can see 5 square. Am I right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
5 square means how much? Tell me what is the
25.
yes, exactly. So everywhere I will write 25. So 25, 25, 25, and 20. Now you have to observe here blue color. Blue color. Okay. So the blue color line, if you see, I written here blue color line. So here we have 7, 2, okay, 10, next 12. So this blue color number is multiplied by its successor. 7 successor is 8. Am I right? The next number.
Yes.
Yes.
So 7 times of 5 is, 7 times of 8 is 56.
56.
So this is the answer. Here what is the successor? That is 3. So 625 is our answer. Here successor is 11. So 110 is the answer. 25. What is the successor of 12? Yes, what is the next number of 12? Yeah, 30. So it is
13.
multiplied by 30. So that we are getting 156. So this is the answer. So what is the answer for 125 square? That is 15,625. Okay. Clear? This trick is fine.
Yes.
Yeah, right now.
I'm done.
Done? Okay. You, Krishna? Right.
I'm done.
Yeah, okay. And one more important point also we have to learn here. That is the table. Yesterday I discussed this table. Okay. And today also we have to discuss this one. Suppose look at this table, both of you. And what are the headlines of this table? The headline is question. Okay. Write along with me. Question ending with. Question is ending with means I am focusing on here unit place digit. Is it clear my point? Unit place digit. Okay. And if you once you observe what is the ending number of the, that means unit place of the question, then we can say very easily what will become in the answer bar. So answer is ending with which number? Ending with. Ending with means again here I am saying unit place digit. Getting my point? Sorry, I written twice here. Unit place. Unit place means, did you know ones place we will say somewhere? Unit place or ones place. Now look at this square table, one square. One square is equal to 1 and the 2 square is equal to here 4 and the 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to here 25 and the 6 square is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 49. 8 square is equal to 64 and the 9 square is equal to 81 and the 10 square is equal to 100 and the 11 square is equal to 121 and the 12 square is equal to 144 and the 13 square is equal to 169 and the 14 square is equal to 196 and the 15 square is equal to 225 and the 16 square is equal to 256. 17 square is equal to 289. 18 square is equal to 324. 19 square is equal to 361. 20 square is equal to 400 and the 21 square is equal to 441 and the 20 square is equal to 481. Clear?
Yes.
So
Yes.
these values also we have to remember. So here you how many squares you are remembering here? 20 squares. Am I right? 22 squares. Suppose 22 squares you know very well. Then up to 229 square numbers. Okay, up to 229 square numbers. You can easily find out the square root for from 1 to 229. If you take any square of a number in between 1 to 229, you can say very easily. Why? Because you know here up to 22 squares only. So 22 squares, if you know, then if I give any perfect number for you from the 1 to 229, you will say very easily without effectiveness. Clear my point? So here total the
Yes.
concept is depend upon how many squares are you are learning. Okay, right. How to remember this table? Let us suppose this is the question. Am I right? Why? Because we are taking only perfect numbers here, like 1, 4, 9, 16. These kind of numbers only we are taking. Suppose here is it ending with 1? So the question is ending with 1. Here also it is ending with 1. Yeah. Here also ending with 1.
Yes.
Okay. It is 484. Okay. Yeah, 484, not 481, 484. So it is also ending with 1, and here also is ending with 1. So which numbers are ending with 1? If you observe very carefully, either question is having 1 in the unit place or 9 in the unit place. You can see very clearly. Whatever the blue mark is there, observe very carefully. Whenever the question is ending with 1, in the answer we have either 1 or 9. You can see the blue marks. Yes. This point is understood or not? Confirm me once.
Clear.
Yeah, what about Swapnil? Sorry, you are Swapnil, not Krishna.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, then in this way, if you see all the combinations, then the next number will be 4. So you will get either 2 or 8 in the unit place. If you are suppose the next number will be 9. So 3, or you can take here 7. The next number will be like suppose 6 we have. Then we can get the 4 and 6 in the unit place. Suppose 5 we have, then we have to take 5. And how to remember this table? Simple, simple. Suppose 1 you are getting, it is a square of a 1. And the 2 if you are getting, it is a square of 2. 9 if you are getting, it is square of a 3. And a 7 if you are, 6 if you are getting, square of a 1. 6 is not 6 actually, it is 16. I am taking unit place. You have to remember that. It is not a 5, it is a 25, square of a 5. So it is very simple to remember now. And how to remember the next number? See, the sum here 10, here also 10, here also 10, here also 10. Once if you identify either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, then automatically the complement you can find very easily. Complement from 10. Are you getting my point? So
Yes.
in this way, you can remember this table. Okay, come on. Note down here table along with the up to 22 squares also. Come on, quick.
I'm done.
I need like a minute.
Yeah, you're not done. I mean, what is your name? Krishna.
I'm almost done. Okay, I just finished.
Okay, now try to understand
Okay, I
this
just
table.
finished.
Yeah, okay. Okay, try to understand this table. In the table, we have 361. It is a perfect square number. Yes. Now, this number is ending with 1. So, maybe our answer, I am talking about answer here. Okay. Answer I am talking about. It may be ending with 1 or ending with 9. Am I right? Yes, we have the chance. You're getting my point. I am finding the square root of this number. By the last digit, I am observing that is 1. So maybe my answer may be ending with 1 or maybe ending with 9. Yes, you can see this table. Is it clear my point? And here also you can see it is a maybe ending with 9. Yes, 19 square. So maybe it may be ending with 1 or a 9. Any one is will be there. We don't know that. Okay. So one digit is fixed. There is no problem. And if you see the red color, so what is the 19 actually it is? Am I right? It is 19 square. So that is the reason I will tell you how come next number, but you just listen carefully what I am saying. So the second place digit, it is maybe 1. Here and here also I kept. Now we have to decide now which is the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? 18 or 11? Or 19 or 11?
19.
We know that 19. Why? Because it is very simple number. But what we will do every time, we have to take the in-between number, the middle number of 11 and 19. That is 15. Am I right? If you see the number line, this is the point 19, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Is it clear my point? What is the middle number?
15.
Every time we are taking the 15. Okay. Here we not every time. First here 11 and 19. The middle number is 15. For some numbers, the middle number may be 25, maybe 35, maybe 45. We don't know. Depends upon the number. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to find the square of this number. What is the square of 15 in between number square is how much now? That is, try how much it is? 15.
225.
Yes, 225. Now tell me, this number comes after 225 or before 225? 361. This number comes after 225 or before 225?
After.
After. That means that is 19 is our answer. Got it my point? So this is the way of finding the answer. Still, I am not talking about here red color disease. I am saying how to use the concept of the concept squaring a number ending with 5. That concept, how we are using, that is the one point I discussed. And the second point, how to identify the unit place digit of the answer by using unit place digit of the question by this table. These 2 points only I discussed. This is this one point, and this is the second point I discussed. Is it clear?
Yes.
Right. Now let me discuss some questions here. So square root of, okay, 2401. Okay. So what we are doing, we are taking first 2 digit, the first point. Okay. In the first 2 digit, if you see red color, see red color means red color point I am discussing. So here it is ending with 01, am I right? So ending with 01
Wait, I have a
means
question. Why would
yes.
why would we take only the two? The
Yeah,
0 and the 1. Why wouldn't we take only the 1?
yeah. In the square root, what happened? Suppose if you see this number, this is a general concept. Okay. I'm talking about in the square root. And let me write in the square root. We are marking two digits from the unit place. This is the procedure. So there is a no number means you can put the 0, no problem. This is the procedure. Square root means we are marking two digits. Marking 2 digits. Or we can say pair. Pair from unit place. Clear? So this is the selection it is in the square root of. So what we are doing, so by the first pair, that is for the first pair, we are deciding here what is the number will come in the unit place. Got it my point?
Yes.
Okay. Right. We are not taking two digit here. Only we are taking first 2 digit and we will decide the unit place digit. But because we are not using what is the general procedure are given in the school books, we are not discussing. Okay. Right. So all the numbers are, I am taking perfect square numbers, not imperfect square number. Remember that point. So my answer may be ending with 1. Oh, let me take the red color, sorry. So maybe ending with 1 or 9. Is it clear?
Yes.
Suppose let me take here one more question. The square root of 29, 16. Now it is ending with which number? 16. Am I right? That is 6. That means your answer may be ending with 4 and it complements 6. Yes, clear my point? Both of you confirm me once.
Clear.
Yeah. Now very important point. What is the remaining number? This is. Now you have to tell me one thing. Okay. The 24, the green color statement I'm writing. Okay, writing green color. You see the green color I'm taking. Which number square nearest, okay, nearest to 24 and less or equal. Tell me which number square is nearest to 24 and it should be less than or equal. Tell me which number that is. Which number square is nearest to 24. And that is the less than the 24 and or a equal, maybe any 1 point. Tell me. Already I gave squares table. Look at the square table. Which number square is nearest to 24?
16. I mean 4.
Five
Uh,
square? Five
4
square?
square. Yeah, 4 square is 16. Is nearest to 20. Yes.
Isn't it 5 squared?
5 square. The 5 square is 25 nearest to 24. But it is not a less, not a equal. Then we don't need to take. No need to take.
Okay.
Then which number?
4 squared?
4 square. Yeah, 4 square. So let me write 4 here and here also. Got it my point? Right. Now look at the here. Same statement I'm writing. Which number square? Which number square is
5.
nearest to 29 and it is less or
25.
equal. Exactly 25. Which number square it is?
5.
So we have to write 5 here and the 5 here. After that, what we are doing, did you remember? We are taking the middle number 45. Yes? Are you agree with me? Yeah,
Yes.
45 we are taking and we are finding square. What is this 45 square? Come on, tell me. Quickly, I want answer. What is the 45 square?
Oh, it's 2025, 2025.
Very good. Now tell me, this number lies this side or this side? It is 2401. It comes after 2025 or before 2025?
Before.
Yes, it is correct. Now tell me what 2401 come before 2025?
No, it comes after. My bad.
So after means this is our answer. Clear my point?
Yes.
Now what is the middle number? 55. So what is the
55.
spare? Yeah, 55 spare how much? Yeah, Swapnil, you try this time. 55 square.
3025.
3025.
Very good, very good. Now tell me 2916. This value comes before 3025 or after 3025?
Before.
Yes, before it is come before means answer is 54. Clear my point? The each and every step is clear or not? See, I clearly I take in the colors here. You can observe very carefully. Red color indicates 1 point, green color indicate 1 point, and what now brown color
Yes.
I take it. Yeah,
I
that is a 1
understand.
point. You Swapnil,
I understand.
you are the Swapnil, then Krishna.
Yes, I understood.
Very good. So let me take here one more example. Suppose the square root of, okay, let me take here one example. Let me take the bigger example for you. Okay. Suppose, yeah, So 12, 7, 69. Now we know that, see the blue color. So blue color 9. So from the table, see the number is ending with 9. Then what is the number's answer? I mean, in the unit place.
3 or
3 or
7.
7. Very good, Swapnil. So I'm taking 3 or 7. I don't know which one is correct one. Right. Let me take red color. Now the remaining number is how much? 127. Now tell me which number square, which number square is nearest to 127 and it is less or
11.
exactly, very good, my boy. So this is the 11. This is the 11. And what is the in between number? 115.
4,
So
5.
we are, hey, 5. We don't know the square of 114 very quickly. Okay. So what is the solution for this? Can you tell me anyone, please? 115 square.
It's 132.25. So
Very good, Swapnil. Now tell me, this is 12,769. Comes before 13,225 or after? My question is clear. 12,769. This number comes before 13,225 or after 13,225? Hello.
after. Wait,
After?
before.
Okay.
Before.
I mean,
Okay.
before.
Yeah,
See,
before.
actually, this is 2,000 round figure. Let us assume this is 3,000. So 3,000 after comes 14,000, na? Not 2,000 again. We are not getting. Okay. So it is before answer. So before it come means we have to select before answer. So this is the answer. So therefore, finally, we can say that square root of 2769. This is a perfect square number. Answer is 113. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So I think yeah. I will write all the slides in the group. So you can write the notes after completion of the class. So let me give some examples and try to solve it and send the answers in the chat box and you can leave the class after completion. Okay? Got it? Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Suppose 324, 484 and 9604. Okay. 5625. 1296. 7056. Okay, try these 5 examples. Okay, right.